Packing industry trends you need to know. Hello everyone, I'm Hawk. Why is that you know the best popular bags in 2022? What's the best popular bags in 2022? Have you ordered them this year? First, aluminum foil bag set. It's maybe 15 pieces or 100 pieces in every set. It will sell together with stickers and oxygen absorbers. It will sell together in my set. They're really popular in this year. I will order them. Second is the tea and coffee bag. Tea and coffee bags is very popular in every year and own a big market in every country. I will order them. The second is the juice bag. Juice pouch. It's really popular and it's a dark horse in this year. It has a straw and it can use for variety of juice. So I will order them. Okay, follow us. You will get the latest information of packing industry.